Snapchat users noticed an ad asking if they would prefer to slap Rihanna or hit Chris Brown. On Thursday, the pop star took Instagram, a direct competitor to Snapchat, to criticize the ad for hiding domestic violence. The stock prices of Snap Incorporated, the parent company of Snapchat, sank by 4%. "I'd love to call it ignorance, but I know you're not that stupid," Rihanna wrote in a statement, published in her Instagram stories. "You spent money to encourage something that would intentionally embarrass the victims of DV, and I joke it. It's not about my personal feelings, because I do not have many of them. But all the women, children and men who have been victims of DV in the past, and especially those who have not yet succeeded. You disappointed us. What a shame." In 2009, Mr. Brown was charged with a brutal beating after hitting, strangulating and beating Rihanna, and tried to push her out of the car. Finally, he pleaded guilty to a felony and received 5 years of probation. "This announcement is unpleasant and should never have appeared in our service," said a Snapchat spokesperson. "We are very sorry to have made the terrible mistake of allowing it to go through our review process. We are investigating how it happened so we can make sure it never happens again."